Well, I'm in a 2015 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you to fold up and down your seats. So for this mid row here, we'll see these both can lower this rear seat, so that folds it forward. And then you could also do it with this lever. And then if you pull this up, it'll fold this forward. When you're ready for this to go back down, just push it down and it locks in place. So in this one, once you pull it all the way, it releases this the whole way. So if I had this seat forward more, then this would fold all the way down. For these rear seats, there's a lever here that you can lift, and that'll let you fold this whole seat down. And when you're ready to fold any of these seats back, you can just push them all the way back. And then I'd usually also grab the seat belt too to make sure it doesn't get trapped. But that's it. So this works the same for both passenger and driver side for both of these rows. I'll just push this back to lock this back in place. And then this locked back in place here. And then for this middle part, you can just pull this down and then fold this back up whenever you're done. And then for this driver side, as long as you have some power to your system, this will slide the whole seat forward, this will slide the whole seat back. When you lift this, that'll raise this forward. And with two hands, if you pull this up, you can push this part back. And then when you have this released, it locks it in place. Now go around to the passenger side. And the passenger side has the same that releases this back, so it'll fold forward or back. And a difference for this passenger side is it's got this bar, so if you raise this bar, you can push this seat forward or backwards. And when you release this bar, it locks it in place. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.